For today's drawing, I'm doing one tilted line. On the top of that tilted line, I will try to draw one pear shape. If it's hard for you, you can draw one small circle and one big circle. Now here in the middle, I will pick 2 points, and from here I will do one leaf style over here. The top part, I will just make a small smiley face over here. I will start one line from here, little bit tilted, and I will just stop here when it's touching the circle. Now on the next one, I will start little bit from here, go up, try to touch the circle. Little bit out is totally fine, and then I will go and I will connect over here. This one, the last one, it will come here, and then instead of going this way, it will go this direction, kind of like a straight. This one also we will erase and make it curvy. Little bit adjustment over here. Now this area over here, we are going to do very light half circle, and we can do 9 of the dots here. I'm going to draw 2 lines. This one we can do lots of dots over here. We will connect all of them.